Today, we're going to be flying our brand new mini DIY jet.
Okay.
You ready? So here's the maiden flight. Let's go. We don't have a lot of time before everything freezes, so let's get in there.
This is why we haven't been filming videos.
No.
Yeah, so I got.
I mean, it stays straight. Okay, let's try again. One more time. Let's get one. I mean, stay straight though. That was
Stay straight.
Yeah.
Like we have a concept.
It's just under thrusted.
I think what we should do is like keep the same like plane design, just make it bigger and get a bigger engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not gonna fly, bro.
What's okay, well
okay, well, that was not successful. See you guys in the next one.
What are you doing?